I want to talk about the other elephant in the room when it comes to not being focused. That's multitasking, the myth of multitasking. There are certain things that we can do. We can do at the same time. We can walk and talk, right? Pretty easy to do. No danger in that. We can sing in the shower. That's okay. We can handle that. How about texting and driving? Is that a good idea? No. You cannot physically be in two places at one time, and that goes for our eyes as well. You cannot physically, it's impossible to have your eyes on the road and on your device at the same time. Can't do it. How about the multitasking that we do in our day-to-day, on the job? On a conference call and checking and responding to emails. How many of you have been called out on that? You're on a conference call. Donna, did you? Oh, sorry, I had a bad connection. What was that? Right? And then we have to play it off, and everybody knows. So then you get a bad reputation. So we don't want to do that. But the other thing about multitasking is there's been a lot of research going on about multitasking, Harvard, MIT, and Stanford, and what they're finding is that it's actually making us dumber. They have found that it actually drops your IQ points 10 points when we're multitasking because you can't give two things your full attention. And where that becomes a problem is with our problem-solving skills. So the neural circuits, and I won't get too much into the science around this, but we have neural circuits in our brain that are like muscles. And the more you use them, the stronger they get. The neural circuits that we use for multitasking are different than the neural circuits that are used for deep thinking, for critical thinking, for problem solving. And we're not using those. So we're thinking an inch deep and a mile wide, which means we can maybe do everything kind of, part way. But what happens when we need to solve a problem? Right? What happens then? We just don't have, we're weak. We're weak. We don't have the strength to do that. And how many of you have problems that you need to solve on a daily basis? We all do. Right? Think about your business, your personal life, whatever, problems. And they don't have to be, big drama-filled problems. They're just a problem. Here's a situation that needs to be solved. What do I need to do? And we get so busy multitasking or thinking shallow that we just don't have the capability anymore to really think deep about that. Okay? So now let's get into the focus part.